Ray. What do you want to do tonight?
The same thing we do every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world.
In no way or fashion am I telling you that what I'm about to teach you will cure you of any disease or illness. The goal is to boost the immune system. Do me a favor. I want you to like this video, and I want you to send this video to as many people as possible. How to boost your immune system naturally. Now, this is probably the greatest video on the subject to date. And I say that because I'm going to tackle this subject metaphysically, but also from a practical standpoint. What if I told you that the thoughts you think and the emotions you feel play and have a direct impact on your immune system? There is a new study that is slowly catching wind, and I want to touch on it. Psychoneuroimmunology. The writer Ester Hicks wrote a brilliant article on this wonderful subject. Psycho, thoughts and emotions. Neuro, brain and nervous system. Immunology, the study of the immune system. She writes, psychoneuroimmunology is a relatively new study on how the mind influences the immune system. There is conclusive research that indicates that our thoughts and emotions have a direct effect on our immune system function. But first, what is the immune system? The immune system is a complex network of cells and proteins that defends the body against infection. It is also the body's protective unit, the first line of defense. The immune system protects the body against alien bacteria, viruses, fungi, and parasites, which are invaders. The immune system destroys the invaders using an army of white blood cells, natural killer cells, and T cells. Promoting good gut bacteria is the key to a strong and potent immune system. The immune system is a collection of billions and billions of cells that travel through the bloodstream. They move in and out of tissues and organs, defending the body against foreign bodies, antigens, such as bacteria, viruses, and cancerous cells. When we're stressed out, the immune system's ability to fight off antigens is greatly reduced. This is why we are more susceptible to infections. The emotions of fear and stress and negativity literally tear down our immune system. Phoenix writes, being positive and having a healthy perspective could be the difference between longevity and disease. Every thought you have produces a chemical which signals the body to feel exactly the way you are thinking. In turn, your thoughts will generate feelings, and your feelings will generate thoughts. This is a vicious cycle. Being mindful of your thoughts in the morning could be the difference in what type of day you have. Stress is also linked to headaches, infectious illnesses, cardiovascular disease, diabetes, asthma, gut issues, and autoimmune disease. Dr. Bruce Lipton said, "Your cells will either be in a state of growth or protection. And if your mind is stressed out, then your cells are in a suppressed state, aka breakdown mode, which will leave your body wide open or more susceptible to illness or disease." So the question is, how do you strengthen your immune system from a psychological standpoint? According to Phoenix, positive emotions enhances the immune system by shifting the production of certain chemicals in the body, which result in a stronger cell. When you are in a harmonious state, heart and mind coherence, your body and all of your systems are aligned and working perfectly, which promotes health and wellness. Greek philosopher Aristotle identified that when a part of the body does not function properly, the mind will become unbalanced in some way also. On the other hand, if the mind is calm and relaxed, homeostasis within the body is induced, which allows the most optimal level for the body to self-heal. According to Dr. Romy, there are many methods to elicit the relaxation response in the body, including visualization, progressive muscle relaxation, energy healing, acupuncture, massage, breathing techniques, prayer, meditation, tai chi, and yoga. True relaxation can also be achieved by removing yourself from everyday thought and by choosing a word, sound, phrase, prayer, or by focusing on your breathing. So stress is the enemy. If you remove stress from the body automatically begins to heal itself. This is why I recommend to not watch the news. And if you are watching the news, stop watching the news. As I said before in the past, the news was designed to keep your attention through fear and panic. These negative emotions wreak havoc in the body. Do not give your attention to what you don't want. Don't talk about the things you don't want to happen. Don't think about the things you don't want to happen. You keep your attention solely on what you want. Focus on what you want. Talk about what you want to happen. And this is a sure way to usher in relaxation to the body and allow the body to work at its optimum form. From a metaphysical standpoint, your thoughts affects your emotions, and your emotions are tied into your vibration. They are connected. They are intertwined. So if you're thinking fearful thoughts, thoughts of panic, that emotion, that vibration is now emitted. You are now vibrating at the same frequency as fear. And based on the law of attraction, like energy always, and I mean always, attracts like energy. So you have no choice but to draw to you more things that matches that fear-based energy. You have to take control of your thoughts. You must drive the ship because you are the captain of your boat. You must steer your mind to what you want. What are some ways for you to boost your immune system on a physical level? What foods or herbs have been known to boost and raise and strengthen your immune system? What I'm about to give you is a list of things you can buy at almost any store. And these items have been known to help and build and strengthen your immune system. You can research all of this on your own, but for right now, just take my word for it. So I want you to buy some sea moss, black seed oil, elderberry, red algae, Essiac tea, ginger root, baking soda, zinc, vitamin D3, vitamin C, turmeric, kale, spinach, lime, fresh fruits and vegetables, and lots of sunlight. If I missed any that you feel I should have mentioned, please comment below. It is my intention to keep as many people healthy and happy as possible. This is Justin from YouAreCreators. I love you, and we support your dreams.